Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool, simple new model I just designed. It is a card, and you open it up, and it's a banana, and it's a card, and you can write something on here. And it can be a nice gift card too. You can put some cash in there or a gift or something like that, and close it up, and it locks closed. How awesome is that? And it's really easy to fold. And ready, set, here we go. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Origami. You could try from a sheet of printer paper, but make sure you label one side yellow and one side white. So that way you'll have a banana. Or you could use paper that's the same color on both sides, except you get the color of the banana on when you're done. Okay, but let's begin with the white side up. And we're going to fold in half, but let's just make 2 crease marks. There. And there. Okay? And now fold to the crease marks. So this yellow portion, that's going to be the banana. Alright, now we're going to turn over. And no, actually don't turn over yet. Let's do it after this step. So let's unfold this flap, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in. How much? Well, we're kind of rounding the banana out like this, because bananas look like crescent moons. So I'm not folding the edge directly to the crease, I'm leaving a little bit of space right there. Just about like that. And repeat on this side. I think the banana would look better this way. But yeah, that's really to taste. You could do it to the crease if you want like that, but I'm not. Yeah. And now turn over on this side, on the colored side. And now fold this up. How much? Well, I don't have a reference for this fold either. But just about like that. So the distance from this crease to there is about 1 centimeter. Alright. And now we're going to lift this crease up and we're going to fold it over the raw edge. Now turn over and take this corner and we're going to fold it up right on the point so it locks. And try and make that edge parallel with that edge. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, and we're just about done. We just need to make the final touch and fold the model in half. And that's what reveals the card. And there you have it. So there is the banana card. It's that simple. So here it has a nice banana here. And on here you can write whatever you want. I'm not going to write on this one this time. I'll just keep it like this. But you can write stuff on it like congrats or something nice, or it can be like a gift card. You can fold it in half, and then, oh, if you want to make it lock, just fold this up. This is to taste. I'm folding right on the point, and I'm just making a slanted fold, about like that, to taste. And that's what locks it closed. And you can put some cash in there or something as a gift, or maybe a gift card, something like that. And you can tell your birthday kid to open it up, and it's a nice banana. And if you want to make the banana look more exciting, you can maybe draw a banana peel or something, or maybe a stem on it, something like that. But I think it's perfect just like this. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial. And I think this is a nice model. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.